So I had a very startling observation as I was doing the mocks. I realized what my initial assumption was my quant will be better than my verbal, but as I was looking at my answer, my scores and was seeing my experience, I realized my verbal is actually doing better than my quant. So I was looking into why is this the case, and then I discovered when I did quant verbal DI, the quant questions are relatively easier because since the starting of the exam, the algorithm doesn't know where to place you at. It gives you medium to easy questions to try to gauge where you are. But since I was doing quant verbal DI, so I got these easy questions, and that led to the harder questions verbal, which I was able to handle. So that is how I managed to do. But when I was doing verbal quant DI, I was getting these easy verbal questions which I was acing. But because I was doing so well in verbal, I was getting very hard questions in quant. And I recognized that I could not do these very hard questions because, especially with the time constraint, maybe we given enough time, if it was infinite amount of time, maybe I could have done it. But given that limited amount of 2 minutes per question, I didn't have the methodologies ready for those very hard questions. That's why I recognize, okay, I should take my strategy approach to this. Maybe I'm not cut out for these very hard quant questions, but I'm still can do these easy and medium questions very well. That's why I'm decided to do it first when I had the most amount of energy pressures.